What's up, guys? If I told you that there was a company that had the most downloaded app in 2019, the App Store and the Google Play Store, and you never heard of it, yeah, that's right. Today we're gonna talk about Sea Limited. Sea Limited is known as the Tencent of Southeast Asia. It created Free Fire, a multiplayer battle royale game that was the most downloaded game in the App Store last year. Sea Money was started in 2009 by Forrest Lee, a graduate from Stanford Business School, and he has created this empire together with Nick Nash, one of his colleagues of Stanford Business School. Sea Limited is valued at $50 billion in the public markets, joining the ranks of Uber and Square, these internet gigantic companies. Sea Limited encompasses three big divisions: Garena, Shopee, and Sea Money. Sea Limited started out with Garena, their chat platform for gamers, and then it expanded with live streaming, forums, and esports. Sea Limited started gaining traction in 2015 when they got the licensing rights to publish League of Legends in Southeast Asia and Taiwan from Riot, a division of Tencent. And from there on, they were off the races. Sea Limited got only investments from Tencent and no venture capital money. And Sea Limited published in 2017 Free Fire, the most downloaded app globally last year. Free Fire is a multiplayer battle royale game of the likes of PUBG and Fortnite, and was actually published 7 months after PUBG was published and 2 months after Fortnite was published. Sea Limited focused their attention in the Southeast Asia market, and they actually got Free Fire to be the most downloaded app last year by focusing in Southeast Asia, and now they are expanding to Latin and Brazil. Free Fire achieved something that no other gaming app achieved before. They got 80 million daily active users to use the app. With first quarter revenue of 2020 of $512 million and growth of 30% year over year, that is a huge market for Sea Limited to expand and grow into. So Sea Limited is not only focusing on game, they're also focusing on e-commerce. They launched their second division called Shopee in 2015. Shopee is an e-commerce platform that integrates payment, distribution, fulfillment, and logistics all integrated into one app. Shopee offers some other features like live streaming, mobile games, and following other users. Even though Shopee was started in 2015 and there were other big competitors like Alibaba, Lazada, they got into the market leader in 2017. And they did that by focusing on two big strategies. First, they only became a platform, and for e-commerce, there are two major categories. Either you can focus on electronics or in apparel and fashion. They chose to focus on apparel and fashion because it's a high margin and asset light business. And consumers that buy fashion and apparel tend to buy more often than people that buy electronics. To show you a glimpse of what Shopee was able to achieve, they actually reached 800 million of GMV, and each unique visitor buys around 4.2 times every month and spends around $60 per month. Shopee takes around 8 to 12% of each transaction, and that's the average that retailers take on that market. The third biggest investment of Sea Limited is e-wallet and finance, and this market is super interesting for Sea Limited because in Southeast Asia, only 27% of the people there have a bank account, and even fewer people have credit cards. So for them, this is a huge market. By integrating Sea Money to Shopee, they got around $1 billion of GMV in their e-wallet and financial platform, and they're growing like crazy. Southeast Asia is a huge market to tap into with 512 million people, and their economy is one of the fastest growing in the world. They grow at a 5% rate, and the internet economy is growing even faster. It's growing at 40% year over year. With all of that, I hope you guys like this video and learn a little bit more about Sea Limited, a huge internet company growing in Southeast Asia. If you have any comments, leave down below and leave a thumbs up. Bye guys.